Let's look at combining like terms. So in this particular one up here, we will have all the A's are the same, all the B's are the same. Those are like terms. So what do you think we're going to do first? We're going to work with our A's. We have a 5A and a 3A. So let's combine those two. 5A, we're going to write them in the same colors first before we combine them so you can see which ones are the like terms. So 5A and 3A are like. The next two that are like are 4B and 2B. 2B and 4B. 4B and 2B are alike. Now you can see with the different colors which are the like terms. So let's combine the blue ones. Those are the A's. 5A plus 3A is 8A. And you've always got to use the signs in front. Look at them very carefully. Then we have the red ones, which are the B's. That's the B terms. We have 4B plus 2B, and that's going to be 6B. There you go. You've simplified it by combining like terms. Never combine terms that are not the same. They have to be exactly the same. Well, here's a little bit more detail. So we're first going to declutter it by looking at like terms in different colors. Let's first look at our x's. 7x, we have minus 3x in the middle, and we have plus 2x at the end. Okay, let's look at our y's. Minus 4y, we have plus 3y and no other y's. Let's look at our z's. We have 2z and minus 4z. Okay, now that we see them in color, we know our brain is going to think of them in those segments. Let's combine the blue ones, which are the x terms first. We're going to get 7 minus 3 plus 2, and that is 6x. And then we're going to look at our red one, which is our y terms. That's minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1y, or just minus y. And let's look at our purple ones, which are our z terms. It's going to be plus 2 minus 4, and that's minus 2z. Easy when you just declutter by putting all the like terms together. This one is a little bit more tricky. What I want you to look at first is here. We have a squared b, and here we have just a reverse order, ba squared. But do you realize it's still the same? If you were to put a squared in front of b, it would still be the same as a squared b. Look at these things carefully on your tests and exams and on your homework. It's just a trick to the eye. You have to read it to yourself nicely to see that actually this term and this term are the same. Okay. And we can see these two, it's obvious, are the same. So our like terms here we'll write in different colors again. Our a squared b terms we'll write down here in purple. So we have 10a squared b plus 3a squared b. We simply just switch them around down here. Okay, and then we write the others in different colors. We have the ab terms, so it's minus 2ab and minus ab. Now it's simple. We're simply going to combine our like terms. 10 plus 3 is going to be 13a squared b, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3ab. Okay, so I'm just trying to give you in a quick video clip an idea of how you've got to look at your terms very carefully. They can sometimes switch the order. Feel free to switch them into alphabetical order and rearrange them to see if they match as terms before you begin. And you'll find it'll become easy. See you in the rest of the algebraic series.